Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix something went wrong. Please try again later. Support code c14a. So guys, if you're trying to log in your Snapchat account in your iPhone or other device but you're facing this problem and you are unable to log in your account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device, and from here make sure that you have not connected to any VPN in your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN, then disconnect it, and after this tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software, and after this scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, tap on Snapchat, offload your Snapchat for one time, and after this download and install the latest version of Snapchat in your device, and after this scroll it below, tap on transfer to reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network settings from here for one time. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.